Hi everyone, welcome to my first YouTube video. I'm Beida. I'm the owner of a super small business called Tinybeelds. And today we're diving into something I've been hesitant for quite a while, creating my own memo pads. While I was designing these memo pads, I felt a little overwhelmed with ideas. There's a bad habit I have, which is looking at Pinterest for some inspiration, which, don't get me wrong, I love Pinterest. But I'm scared of unintentionally inspiring a little too much from some fellow artists. So I decided to close the app while I was sketching and open my heart to see what I can find. I thought of my boyfriend and just how it feels to be around him. So these memo pads are a representation of those relationships that are fun and loving, and I hope those are all the relationships. My designs are finally done and it's time to print them out. I have to admit, I'm a little nervous because this is literally the first time I'm making memo pads and I don't want it to turn out poorly.
A few moments later.
Thank you so much for watching my first video. If you really like the process, like my content, please like, comment, and maybe subscribe. Just let me know that you liked it and I will definitely see it. Well, until the next time, take care and express some love.